Okay guys, I'm making the second part. I already turned the gas on in the house, so now we have pressure of gas in here. I just tightened this little plug right here, and I want to make sure it's very tight and there's no gas leaks in this area. So I have the furnace. We're gonna turn on now. Now I know I got pressure of gas in the gas line. Let's see if the furnace give me the same problem or start it on. We'll see. So there we go. That was the problem. Was no gas in the line. We opened the valve, the main valve, and now the gas is running into the pipe and the system is working good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day, man. And I hope you have help with this. Bye.